ito ano, plastic bag for ano, food bag. Ito ay preserved radish. Last time I showed you how to make it with the egg. And then I'm going to make the baked pasta bolognese. This is toothpick, almond cake, sesame oil, garlic, crispy garlic. This is chicken powder. This one is not mine. Bows for coloring her hair. This is garbage bag. This is noodles, tuna. This is not for me. All the kitchen is mine. Cornstarch, sesame, and dumpling sauce. Actually, this is vinegar. I have Maggi sauce, and also a small garbage bag. So this is the one box. Two. There. Okay. Then next, next. Hold on. Oh, that's why it's so heavy. That's why it's so heavy. This is double Ziploc dishwashing for plate dishwashing. I got 2. All is for. This one is floor cleaner, soap thinner, sanitizer for washing. Also heavy. And this one is Dettol that I use all purpose. I have 2. So okay, next. This is not mine. Napkin actually. This is the oil. Microwave wrap. Aluminum foil. Chicken broth. Liquid washing detergent. Liquid washing detergent is also brand. And this one also is for hand washing. Another one more Maggi sauce. And hot dog. And salt. So, oh my gosh. So much. Oh, so messy. See? So all this, so much. Kitchen roll and tissue. Kitchen roll and tissue. we have 5 tissue, toilet roll tissue, and then we have this also tissue, got 4 box. See, 2 different flavor. I mean, this is natural, this is jasmine. Okay guys, so all this my kitchen roll I always use because when I'm drying food. So this is all my unboxing guys for today. So much. It's like a garbage here, as you can see. All is here, need to arrange, that's why I unboxing. You see, oh my god, now it's like a mess in a mess. See, need to arrange, so that's why I unboxing guys. Okay guys,